Hi and welcome to another product demo from fobfix.com. Today we're doing a little update video on our Focus Prox key programmer. We've released the original video just to show it programming keys, but the main question that people are asking, will it add extra keys to the vehicle without the original key being present in the vehicle cabin? So we'll just show you that one. We've got two keys here. One is the original RS key, and the other is an aftermarket copy. So we'll get the original RS key, which is that one, and we'll just unlock the vehicle. There we go. And what I'll do is I'll take that one, just leave it there for now. Take this one with us. Right, do this one, mucky mats. Right, so what we do is we take the aftermarket key, which doesn't currently. I'll just pop the clutch. Check the messages. It doesn't start the vehicle. Ford key free, no key detected. And what we'll do is we'll take that aftermarket one. We will pop it in the on the key symbol in the armrest receptacle. Pop it down in there. Pop that, and then we'll get this one open up. Get that. Get our FobFix programmer. Go to add key mode, which is switch 4 up, and then we plug that in. One beep to say we're in add key mode. Get the usual flashes from the programmer. A few more. Eventually it'll get there. Log in, add the key, count the keys. Now, as far as I'm aware, there were 2 keys programmed to this. So we should show 3 keys. 1, 2, 3 keys now programmed. That's that one. Pull the programmer out. Retrieve the aftermarket key from the centre console. And then click, click, lock, lock. Pop the clutch down. Starts the vehicle. Go. And what we'll do is just to show you that kicking the LVD ports off, the covers off, pop that in there, shut that again. That is the aftermarket one. Lock it, and we'll go and retrieve the other key. So there you go. It will program additional keys without an original working key in the vehicle, but won't do it to a vehicle with an active alarm. Thanks for watching.